वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसतलीं सावध आनी भलायकी. सो टुडे हियर आय एम गोइंग टू इंट्रोड्यूस यू a new member in our kitchen, that is Wells Quick Tips and Trick, and that is our Prestige Induction. So induction is there in India and in the world many years back, but we didn't purchase it till we found the gas problem was going on entire world, and shortage of the gas and all these things, and it was out of stock also. And then they contacted us, and here it is, Prestige. So we are promoting this Prestige to y'all. So it's very simple to use. First put the plug, put it on, and then there are some functional buttons over here. So you can see, like if you want to make dosa, then there is some dosa chapatis, then there is a timer set also. Then there is some pressure cooker where you can cook your food in pressure cooker, curry, idlis, deep fry, heat milk, keep warm, saute, and this is on and off. This is to increase, this is to decrease the heat, and you need but induction vessels, otherwise it will not work. So it's very handy, like especially in the heat when there is a very hot environment like the weather, and to cook with gas, it becomes too hot then to cook. And what we found it that this is the best, and go for Prestige as they are having in some offers, and try to buy this Prestige induction. And I will show you all how to cook also in this video. Okay, so hope you all will go and buy. This is just an offer which is there, 2,900. Go for it and enjoy your cooking without sweating. Thank you so much.